Right, somebody's... Oh, hello. I was going to say, somebody's very early today. Come on, then. Oh, I've not even had my dinner yet, young lady. Hey? You're very early. Here we go, then. Right, yeah, I noticed this about 3-4 days ago, that she's just like the edges of her ears. I don't know if you can see, because they're back. It's like they've been... I'm going to say razored, but they haven't obviously been razored. So whether she's caught them on something or not, I don't know. Oh, you're struggling with that piece of bread, are you? It's a bit unusual for you, my darling. Yeah. You okay, though? It's been a lovely day. Got all the washing done. All dried. All aired. I don't do ironing. I don't even know what an iron is, really. I mean, I do know, obviously I do know what an iron is. But life's too short to do ironing. So, it ain't happening, is it? We don't worry about the iron. No. Let's try some of this ham. This is really posh ham. Like that? Yep, I think you do. That's a hit for biscuit. I just rolled it up, look. I rolled it up into posh little pieces. Like that. No? You done? You done, my darling? Or do you want anything else? Huh? It's been a beautiful day. I think it's one of the hottest days of the year so far, so that's all good. Have you done? Do you want some chicken? Shall we give you a piece of chicken? Shall we? Oh, I've got to reach for it. Do you want this biscuit? Biscuit, do you want this? Do you want this? Hold on, I've got my camera zoomed in at the moment. Do you want this, my babes? Do you want this? Here. Here. Do you want some chicken? Or not? No? Yes? There we go, my darling. Okay. There goes Biscuit. Okay, hopefully we'll see her later. See her running through there. No, she's stopped in the garden. That's it, she's just gone through into the garden next door now. There we go then, that was Biscuit.